We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did. And now we're happy to share it with you. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. As much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. We really appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.